So today we are going to be measuring and cutting these PVC pipes into our frame for our ROV. We have a couple tools that Cam will tell you about.
So we have this to cut it. We also have some safety glasses so we don't get hurt. Then we got this marker so we can measure it out by 12s.
So now we will be cutting PVC pipe.
Five minutes later. 3 days later.
These are the L's. These are the T's. And this is another.
You're gonna use these to make our frame
For the rope.
for the room.
Four of these.
This is our finished frame.
Go.
Watch our next video to put
Where?
Just keep going.
where we make. Watch our next video to for our frame. So we use 3D printing. Watch our next video to about 3D printing. 3D printing. Our next video where
People are going to say.
watch our next video for Earth where we put 3D printing to make it cooler.
Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and smash that bell button.
Oh yeah, we should do that.